Very good morning, children. Today we have a new lesson for grade 8 students. Unit 4, Activity 4.2, The Hidden Beauties in India. In India, there's a highest waterfall named Nokilakai Waterfalls, which is in Cherrapunchi in Meghalaya district. So we have to see this history of this waterfall and scenic beauty of these waterfalls and its surrounding. And there are two descriptions. One is from this textbook and another legend related to this waterfall. So today I would like to relate about this waterfall according to the text. Thereafter, I would like to relate you the legend of this waterfall. India, the largest country in the South Asian region, is well known for its diversity in culture. Great personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, and for places like Agra and the Himalayas. It is a less known fact that this subcontinent is also rich with a number of places with enchanting scenic beauty that attracts both local and foreign tourists. Children, as you know, this is the attractive place attracted both local and foreign tourists. It means people in India and people who live out of India, even the foreigners, would like to go to these places and they want to see and they want to visit these nice places. Nokilagai Falls in Cherrapunchi is one such place hidden within the dense forest in the East Khasi Mountains in the state of Meghalaya. So the Nokilagai waterfalls is in Cherrapunchi. It is hidden within the dense forest. The forest is in the East Khasi Mountain in the state of Meghalaya. Cherrapunchi is one of the wettest areas in the world. Cherrapunchi is the one of the wettest area in the world with an annual rainfall of 1176 centimeters. This is the tallest plunge waterfall in India and it's fed by the water collected in the plateau above. So the catchment area and the water collected above this plateau and follow and it plunge, it become a plunge waterfall at the plateau. The pool below has unusually greenish water which makes it more attractive. A woman named Kalihai, who had a daughter from her earlier marriage, had remarried after the death of her first husband. But her second husband started to disgust the stepdaughter. One day, when she was away for a work in the field, her husband killed the stepdaughter and cooked her flesh. On returning home after work in the fields, she was surprised to see her husband had prepared the evening meal. Without any suspicion, she ate the meal. Later, she discovered the saved fingers of her daughter in the betel nut basket. She realized what had happened in her absence and went mad with anger and grief and started running towards the nearby glee. Distraught with grief and remorse, she ran off the edge of the plateau adjoining the waterfalls and jumped to her death. The fall has ever since been known as Nokkali Kai, which means the leap of Liga. So children, apart from your text, there is a legend behind this waterfall. So I related this legend also, the purpose of elaborating this text. And this is an attractive place in India for local tourists as well as the foreign tourists. It is the highest waterfall with the highest train fall area. So you can get all the information about this waterfall and enjoy your reading and watching this video lesson. Thank you very much.